Besides being the capital of Goa, Panjim is not just famous for its historic landmarks, but it also has some well-known restaurants and cafes that we haven't explored yet. Good morning guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Gavin.
And I'm Amy.
This morning I was going through Google and it's been a long time since we've had a good South Indian breakfast, you know, that's freshly prepared and delicious. And in Google we came across this place called Sheetal Udupi Veg Restaurant, and I saw the name Udupi. In my experience living in places like Mumbai and Pune, you know, wherever you see the name Udupi, chances are you'll get a very good South Indian breakfast, and these guys have a very good rating as well. So yeah, that's the reason why we decided to come here. It's time to go through their menu. Okay, so this looks like a lot of pages, so I will try to cover this quickly. So these are some instructions that they have given here, and this side is the quick bite section, which we are most interested in: idli, vada, dosa, special dosa. What's good is that the rates look very reasonable, and just want to let you guys know, upstairs there's an AC section as well, where the washrooms are. And sorry, we are seated at the downstairs section. I'm sorry, I'm coughing because I think they are giving some tempering to the chutneys. Yeah, so this is the juice section. This is the ice cream, hot beverages, cold beverages, starters, soup, sandwich. So yeah, they have a lot, but we are interested in the South Indian delicacies. I'm sorry, you can hear a lot of spoons and everything. That's because we are seated right next to the kitchen. Okay. And they have noodles, rice, yeah, lots of Indian gravies as well, naans, and they have mentioned their timings. So I really don't know, like, you know, how their lunch and, you know, the rice and gravies and stuff are, but you can check the comments in the reviews. So we've actually ordered a lot, but I don't want to wait because, you know, I'll lose the crispiness from the medu vada. And yeah, so let me tell you what all we have. We have medu vada here, idli here, Mysore masala dosa with extra cheese, and this is a tomato uttappa. It all looks very big. And here is shira, and we also have specialties coming on our way. Very nice first bite. Exactly the way I was expecting medu vada to be. Honestly, you know, in Kalangut, Baga, around these areas, we've not had very good South Indian breakfast. Just one place we found, Cafe South, that was good. But this here is excellent. Just like, you know, how I am used to having in places like Mumbai and Pune. Very nice, very crispy medu vada. And look at this. It's fluffy as well. Got some nice chilies and everything inside. Got the perfect crunch outside. Okay. Now let's go for the idli. Very good chutney, very good sambar. Idli is nice as well, fluffy. Got really nice flavor, you know, from the dals and everything, rice and everything that they've used to make the batter. So it's very good. The only complaint that I have here, I cannot really say if it's a complaint, but we ordered so much. We had to wait for like 15 to 20 minutes for the order. But at the same time, if you see behind, so many people came, like the working class people. So I don't know if I can term their service as slow, but the food has been very good so far. Okay, now let's go for the Mysore masala dosa. So I like that there's cheese inside and there'll be filling somewhere inside as well. I have to get to that. Very nice, very crispy flavors. I'm sorry, I've literally destroyed the dosa, but this is what I wanted to show you. Look at this. So this is the filling that I wanted to get to, and I would prefer, you know, if the filling was crushed inside. Look at this. There are huge chunks of potato. Got flavor. It's very good. you know, the potato bhaji inside. It's very, very nice. And yeah, dosa is crispy outside, got a lot of cheese. Even this one is good. Actually very good. Okay. Now let's go for the tomato uttapa. I just use my hand here. So Adrian told him to make it crispy, and I think he's done a very good job. I can, you know, feel the crispiness of the uttapa. Quite impressive. I'm not a very big fan of tomato uttapa, but it's really very nice. Like, the food has been excellent. My slightest concern is, you know, we are sitting in the corner, so there's lots of noise here because we are next to the kitchen. The paint and everything is some of the wall, but you know, I'll not let any of that, you know, take away the you know, high rating that I would love to give this place for the food. The food is excellent. So many people have been coming and eating here, and this has actually turned out to be a brunch. You're not going to have lunch for sure. Last bit is the pineapple sheera. Wow. Not overly sweet, and I like that I can see cashews in it. But it's very good. Like the ratings on Google, you know, every restaurant that you visit, you must give ratings on Google, guys. It's very important. It really helps everyone. So yes, all the ratings on Google, they are great. I did see some ratings about the hygiene and stuff, but I don't see much of a concern, except, you know, bits and pieces of tissue paper falling on the floor, but that's okay. Overall, it's quite good. And now we are waiting for a specialty. And here we have our specialty. So let's taste this. Yeah, very good tea as well. It's just that it's a little too sweet. I'm someone who doesn't like tea very sweet. I forgot to tell him, but that's okay. Tea is good as well. And look at this. Adrian and myself are really enjoying the breakfast. I think, Adrian, we can say this is the best South Indian breakfast we've had in Goa, right?
Surely.
The tomato uttapa, the dosa, everything has been really very, very good. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Until the next time, take care, stay safe and stay positive.